Do you want to know how to set up a 24/7 live stream with pre-recorded videos without having your computer on all night and without using OBS? If so, check it out. First thing you want to do is you want to go to Upstream.so and create an account there. Once you do that, it's really easy, it takes a couple of minutes. You'll be on your dashboard. So this is your dashboard. This is where all your streams will be once you create them. Right now I have 0 streams, which is showing here 0 out of 4. I'm on a plan with 4 streams, so I can have 4 simultaneous streams going on. I'm going to create a new stream and I'm going to do it with a wizard, which is really easy. So the first thing I want to do is to choose what kind of stream I want to create. So I decided to do a pre-recorded 24/7 live stream, so I'm going to choose this. And YouTube's going to be my platform. Here I recommend you use YouTube Connect because it's so much easier. You don't have to go to YouTube Studio to start your streams, so you can do it all through Upstream. It's easy to connect your account. It's just a couple of clicks through Google's own verified system, and you can just choose any of your accounts or any of your channels here. I here have connected 2 channels, and I'm going to use this one for this. I have to give my stream a name, so this is going to be my 24/7 test stream. I'm gonna have the privacy, I could have it public so that it goes publicly, but since this is just a test, I'm gonna first put it unlisted and then I can anyway at any point just turn it public anyway. So the category, I'm gonna choose entertainment. The resolution is fine here. I'm gonna use 1080p, a horizontal, like I could use a vertical or I could use dual streaming on YouTube, but now I'm just gonna use horizontal. The frame rate of 30 is fine here. I can upload a thumbnail. If I want to set a thumbnail, I can do it. I can use this image that I have here already uploaded. And I'll give my stream a description, just a very short description in this case. This stream is not made for kids, so I'm going to click on Next, Media and Schedule. So first thing you want to know is what kind of stuff do you actually want to play. Some people will want to play a full video with audio baked in. So just a video that loops, or maybe a couple of videos that loop, or maybe you want to create a radio station. So you can upload audio files separately from your video files. So you can have your video backgrounds or GIF or image backgrounds looping separately from your audio files. This is very cool and convenient for creating a radio station or music streams. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to use our podcast recording, which I have here, and I'm going to use this recording. I'm going to add it to queue, and it's a video, it has audio, so I don't have to set up a separate audio playlist. The schedule, I'm not going to use a schedule today, I'm going to use manual control, but I could set up an automatic schedule, like just starting at one time, maybe having a recurring schedule, or even a back-to-back stream cycle, where I schedule a stream and then it goes on for 2 hours, it stops for 15 minutes and goes on again after 15 minutes, starts again. So I can set up all these schedules and automate my stuff, but for now I'm just going to use a manual thing and just started my stream by clicking on a button that I'll show you later. You can set up multi-streaming to multiple platforms. Just for the sake of like being quick, I'm not gonna do it now, but you can add your multi-stream like to Twitch or to Kick or to any custom RTMP destination that you want to stream to if you have your stream key. But I'm just going to not do that now, and I'm just gonna have a simple YouTube 24/7 live stream going on. As you can see here, I could add audio files here too, and then I would have a playlist of audio files which loop independently of my videos, as I told you, but I have my videos here selected, so that's all good. I could import my playlist from before if I had already done it, but since we haven't, let's just go on. And I'm on the final step already. Ready to create your stream? Yes, I am. So it's pre-recorded 24/7. There's a YouTube SSO connection, so I have a connection with API. I will not have to start my stream on YouTube manually. I don't have to copy paste my stream key. This is awesome. So my stream name is my 24/7 test stream. The resolution is fine like this. There's only one item in the playlist. I could have added 100 files to the playlist. And the schedule is manual, so I will not have to set up a schedule. I will just press play and the stream will appear on YouTube. So I'm going to create my stream now, and that only takes a couple of seconds. The system will set up the stream for you. This is pretty much, you're basically done now. All there is left to do is to check everything out, and you could even start your stream right away. And that is literally it. This is how you stream to YouTube 24/7 with pre-recorded videos. There's no complicated setup involved, it's not very technical, pretty much anyone can do this, and if you got songs or if you have some videos that you can loop, you're on the right track to finding the perfect way to stream 24/7. If you want to scale your channel, just don't worry about OBS crashes and start streaming from Upstream today. I'm just gonna show you a couple of things. Like, this is my background playlist, so I could add more stuff here to this playlist. I could add another video to it, like this video, or more videos. But for now, I'm just gonna keep this one video looping. That's okay for me. Don't forget to save whenever you do any changes. If I wanted to use audio files here, like MP3 or WAVs with my songs, I can add them here and set up a playlist of audio files. I could set up my MP3s with the metadata already entered, so I could have artist name and album art cover showing up in the Stream Designer, which is the next thing I want to show you. Here you can embed like whole websites, or you can put text with backgrounds, of course. There's a bunch of design options for you here. Probably more than you need, but it's useful for someone. So for example, you can add backgrounds. I can have here a background color behind my text box, and basically you have full control over what's on the screen. And you could create like a news ticker by enabling text scrolling here. So all the text that I would put in my text box here would be just like news. You could create a newscast like this. This already kind of looks like news. You can put images all over. You can choose where you want to move stuff afterwards. You can resize it. It's really drag and drop, click and drag, very Canva-like experience if you're used to it. You can delete things just by pressing backspace. And there's a bunch of shapes you can put in. I could embed a whole video, or even like a stream, like an M3U8 stream, radio stream. I could display track name and audio track name. If I had audio songs, audio tracks here, I can display the track name of this video also that is going on right now, which would then display here with also an image preview. You could put a visualizer, like an audio visualizer, to bump and jump as the audio goes in. So there's just really 100 things you could do, and to make this video short, I'm just going to go back to my dashboard. I'm gonna press save because I like the way this looks right now, and I'm gonna go back to my dashboard and just press start here, and it's gonna ask me again just to make sure whether I want it public or unlisted, and I'm just gonna press unlisted here and go live. The cool thing about it, in 60 seconds my stream will be live, but thing is, I can go in and I can change anything. I could just now switch up this video, put more videos, add more, or I could go into the Stream Designer, change this text, or add more stuff here. And one of the coolest things about this is I can go to the live studio, choose a browser source here, and just join the studio from my webcam, and immediately you will see my face here. I can comment on my pre-recorded videos, I can do commentary style streams, or I could invite guests here. If you've ever Googled or just asked for any advice on 24/7 streaming, I'm sure you got the same answer: use OBS. But let's be honest, like, OBS isn't built for 24/7 live streaming, and if your home internet blinks for a second or something happens, your stream crashes. If your laptop updates or something, your stream crashes. If you don't have enough computer power to keep it all encoded, your computer crashes or your FPS goes down, and even the thing you're streaming could be all jumbled up. That's exactly why you need a dedicated cloud streaming service, so that it can be done for you and you don't have to use your computer to stream. With Upstream, you can upload your pre-recorded video files, schedule them, and our servers will handle the rest. Your computer can be completely turned off, you can be at the beach, you can be sleeping, and your YouTube live streaming will just stay online all the time.